Ramanujan for G is now available on the Google Play Store. Try it out for free.
Yeah, so good morning, class. Today we will do with the periodic function, right? So we will start with that about the periodic functions. Okay, so let us start now. So let me write it here. So it is periodic function. Okay, so a function is said to be periodic if there exists a constant like t greater than 0 such that f of x plus t is equals to f of x minus t is equals to f of x for all values of x belongs to domain. Here, the least positive value of t is called the period of that function, right? So like if we talk about some functions, let me write it here, functions. And this side we can write the period, right? So we can write here like sine to the power nx, cos to the power nx, if n is equals to even, then period is pi. Similarly, if sec to the power n of x, cosec to the power n of x, if n is odd and fraction, odd and fraction, so it become 2 pi. Similarly, this mod of sin x or mod of cos x, or we can say mod of tan x. Similarly, there is mod of cot x, and we have mod of cosec x, and here mod of sec x. So for this period become pi. Okay. Next, if we talk about x minus greatest function, sine of this x minus greatest function. Similarly, this x minus of minus x, all this become 1. Okay. And if we have sine inverse of sine x, cos inverse of cos x, so for all these, it's become 2 pi, right? Next, like if we have half sine x, next we have like half cos x, and we similarly we have half of sin x plus half of cos x. So all this becomes 2 pi, right? So first you copy till here, then we will move to the next. Okay. Next, next, like the function is given cos x. Similarly, there is one function given 1 plus cos x by 2. The period for this will become 2 pi again, right? Similarly, if we have mod of sin x plus mod of cos x and like sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x, so period will be pi by 2 for this. And we have cos x plus cos x by 2 plus cos of x by 2 square plus cos by x upon 2 cube plus like up to we can say cos of x upon 2 to the power n minus 1 plus cos x upon 2 to the power n. So the period for this will be 2 to the power n pi, right? Next we having cos of cos x plus cos of this sin x, right? So period for this will become 2 pi. Period for this becomes 2 pi, right? Talking more, so sin x plus cos x modulus. Wait. First, let me, we can erase this. So, yeah, so sine of this sin x plus sine of cos x. So the period for this will become again 2 pi. And sorry, for this period will be pi by 2. Cos of cos x plus cos of sin x will be pi by 2, and sin of sin x plus sin of sin cos x will be 2 pi. So copy this first. These periods are important, so please you can copy. Next, like we are having this mod of sin x plus cos x divided by this mod sin x plus mod cos x, right? So it becomes like under root 2 sine x plus n by 4 divided by mod sin x plus mod of cos x. So for this it becomes pi. Next we are having like 2 to the power sin x plus 2 to the power cos x. So for this it becomes 2 pi. One more is there, like we can talk about if under root cos x, and again 1 plus cos x by 2. This is important. So for this, it's become 2 pi. So you can make a copy for this first. Yeah. So next is this non-periodic functions, right? So let me write some non-periodic functions. Okay. So like sine root x, cos of root x, cos x square. Similarly, the sine x square, and here x square plus minus cos x. Similarly, we are having x square plus minus of this sine x, and sine of 1 by x. Similarly, we are having x of cos x, and we are having cos root 3x plus cos 3x, and we can say more like this sine of x plus this fractional of x. Similarly, sine of x plus x minus of this x, 1 by x. So all these where x is fractional, so x is fractional, this is a greatest integer function, right? So these are some non-periodic functions. Okay, so you have to remember. Copied. Next, this properties of periodic functions. Okay, so this periodic functions properties. Okay, so first, if fx is periodic with the period t, then we can say a into fx is periodic with period t. Second, f of x plus a is periodic with the period t. Similarly, the next is f of x plus minus a is a periodic with this period t again, right? So where, like, if we have talk about a can be any constant here. It can be any constant. Now, if we know the sine x has period 2 pi, then fx is equals to 5 sine x plus 7 is also period with the pi, right? So if constant is added, subtracted, or multiplied, or divided in the periodic functions, period remains the same. So this is important, right? If constant is added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided, period remains same. Okay, so first write this property, then we'll move to the next. Copied. So next property is if fx is periodic with period t, then kf x plus b has period t by a, right? So period is only affected by the coefficient of x, where kab belongs to constant. So we know fx is equals to, like, we take this 5 sine 2x plus pi by 7 minus 12. So it has period 2 pi by 2 is equals to pi, as sin x is periodic with period of 2 pi, right? So write it quickly. Next thing, like if f1x, f2x are periodic functions with period t1 and t2 respectively, then we have h of x is equals to f1x plus f2x has period, right? So for like the function hx will become f1x plus f2x. So it has period like this half of LCM of T1 and T2, T1 and T2. If F1x and F2x are complementary pairwise, okay, which is comparable to even functions, right? And otherwise, we will take LCM of T1 and T2 only. Okay, so while taking the LCM, we should remember LCM of this A by B, C by D, and E by F is equals to LCM of A, C, and E divided by HCF of B, D, and F. Okay, so you can check out for this. If you take example like LCM of 2 pi pi and pi HCF of 3 6 12, so it become like LCM of 2 pi by 3 and the pi by 6 and pi by 12, right? So it becomes this is the HCF, right? So it becomes 2 pi by 3. It becomes 2 pi by 3. So the LCM becomes 2 pi by 3 for this function. Okay, so you can copy this. Copied. So next, there's one more like B part. This LCM of rational. LCM of rational with rational is possible. It's possible, and the LCM of irrational with irrational is possible, right? So, but we can say, but LCM of rational and irrational, rational and irrational is not possible, right? But LCM of rational and irrational is not possible in this case. Like, let me take example. So the example is given. This LCM of 2 pi, 1 and 6 pi is not possible. Is not possible as 2 pi, 6 pi belongs to irrational. Belongs to irrational and 1 belongs to rational, right? 1 belongs to rational. So completed. Now the next thing is what we have. Yeah. So the next thing is now we will talk about some special functions. Some special functions. Okay. So first is if f of x plus y is equals to fx plus fy, then f of x is equals to kx. Second is if f is xy is equals to f of x plus f of y, then we can say then fx is equals to log x. Similarly, the third one is if f of x plus y is equals to fx into fy, so then we can say fx is equals to e to the power x. Now the next fourth one is like if fx into f of 1 by x is given, so the function fx plus f of x plus y, then fx is equals to x to the power n plus minus of 1. So these are some special functions. You can copy this. Copied. Next is the composite functions. This is important. Composite functions. Okay. So let we define let f belongs to a to b be defined by b is equals to f of a, and g is belongs to b to c be defined by c, which is f of b. Now next h belongs to a to c be defined by h of a is equals to g of fa, right? So this is called composite function is called composite function. Okay, so we write h is equals to gof of this. So gof a to c will be defined as gof of x, which is equals to g of fx, right? And a x belongs to a, right? So if you draw this circular graph, so this circular notation, sorry, so this ax, b of fx, c of g of fx, right? So if from a to b and b to c, like here is the function, it's a g of x, it's f of x, and it's directly composite of gof, right? So this is our answer. So the properties like gof is defined if range of this is equals to this domain. If gof is 1 1, then function is also f is also 1 1. Okay, next is like gof. If gof is onto, then f is onto, right? Next property we can say like if function is odd, then z is even, so it become fog is even. Similarly, if f is even and g is odd, so fog is even again. And if f is odd and g is odd, so fog is odd function. Similarly, f is even and g is even, so it becomes fog is even function. So here we conclude that like all functions are relation, but all relation may not be a function. So guys, we have concluded this unit, right? So till here we have completed all the things regarding all the functions, covered its periodic types. Okay, so from the next class we will start with the new unit. Okay, so I hope the functions basics you are clear now. So thank you.